Hello everyone, my name is Snehal Patil. I belongs to Sangli, Maharashtra. I have completed Bachelor of Degree in Computer Science from DBT University in 2023. After completing my engineering, I was searching for a new job and I got to know about Evision Technoserve from one of my friends. Evision Technoserve is IT requirement and consultancy company. In Evision, I have joined for 45 days of online internship program. We'll learn so many things, so many models basic networking, virtualization, window administration, advanced networking, cyber security, Linux, and ITIL. After complete that 45 days program, I got the calls of the company HR, and Evision team prepare me so well, handle how to handle the HR calls and crack the interview. After that, I got a placed in a VDA Infosolutions company with a good package. I want to heartfully thank you for all the Evision team. This was a possible due to support of the entire Evision team. Thank you so much.